This video features 10 questions from our exam preparation materials for the 15th edition of BICSI's Telecommunications Distribution Methods Manual, also known as the TDMM. Chapter 1, Principles of Transmission. You will have 10 seconds to read the question and determine what the answer is before the correct answer is revealed. Good luck. Measures the maximum voltage that an insulation can withstand without breakdown is the definition of dielectric strength. The two key parameters in optical fiber cabling performance that must be verified for compatibility with the proposed electronics are attenuation and bandwidth. In wireless transmission, fading is caused by changes in the characteristics of the propagation path with time. Analog, voice telephone circuits were designed to support a frequency band in the 300 Hz to 3400 Hz range. Basic rate, ISDN, is intended for residential and small business users. Wavelength division multiplexing, or WDM, is most commonly used in long-haul, high-bandwidth, optical fiber data transmission. This statement is true. A decibel, or dB, value of 3, expresses a power ratio of 2.0. The maximum cable attenuation coefficient for single-mode, outside plant, optical fiber cable at a wavelength of 1383 nanometers is 0.4 dB per kilometer. The delay skew between the fastest and slowest pairs in Category 6A/Class EA balanced twisted pair cabling shall not exceed 45 nanoseconds at 100 meters or 328 feet. Single pair Ethernet, or SPE, is also known as PODL. The questions in this video have been taken from BICSI's TDMM 15th edition manual, and not from an actual exam. This material is meant to be used as a study aid, and not as a replacement for the TDMM manual. Thanks for watching.